How to remove someone from best friends on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can remove someone from your best friends on Snapchat, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to remove someone from best friends on Snapchat, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Snapchat app. Then if I actually come to my profile page over here, and if I just go to the My Friends section, you'll be able to notice that I have a couple of best friends on the list. But if you just go ahead and then long press on either of these, you'll find that we don't have the option to remove them from our best friends list. So why does that happen? So first of all, you have to understand the algorithm. How Snapchat adds your best friends list on your best friends on Snapchat is that when Snapchat notices that you have been exchanging frequently snaps with each other. So when you exchange frequent snaps with each other, Snapchat is going to actually add them to your best friends list based on the algorithm. So if you're talking about removing someone from your best friends on Snapchat, you have to use the algorithm to your own advantage. That means to simply stop exchanging snaps. So only when one of you is sending snaps and the other person stops reciprocating, then Snapchat is going to notice that for a while and then it's going to leave it. But after some time, or maybe after a 1 day or 2 days period of time, that person is going to be removed from your Snapchat. And that's simple as it is. You don't find a specific button to remove someone from a best friends list, but as I said earlier, you have to use the algorithm to your own advantage. Hope this video helped you clear the confusion. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.